Hey guys, it's back with another video here in Connor Chapman. Now I'm going to be teaching you how to make Spider-Man lenses. Like those, but better. So what you want to do is you need a piece of paper, a pencil, crafting foam, and scissors. And then you need a knife to cut it. So you want to draw a Spider-Man lens just on that, and then you cut it out. So I'm gonna do it like this. And you just gotta keep cutting until it's fully out. Okay. And then so you have it like that. Okay. And then how you make the inside cut out without cutting this is you just bend it and then you cut right through there. And then it should have like this small hole right there. And you put that in there and then just keep cutting away. And just keep going.
So I tried turning off the security and stuff, and it still didn't work. So I'm trying something else really quick.
Alright, so it's out. Okay. Now you just make the form you want it to be, and then you take the crafting foam right here, and then you stick it onto that, and then you just trace it with a pencil or a pen or whichever one you want to do with it. So I'm going to do it with the pencil.
Yeah, because it's starting to get very frustrating.
And then just keep doing it and doing it.
I
just
know.
trace it.
I'm trying this thing really, really quick.
Okay.
See if this works real quick.
And then there's like this little thing right there. Then so you just take a knife or scissors. I think scissors are safer than a knife. So and then you just cut that out. And you could do the lens out of paper, but it's easier to do it, and it's better looking if you do it out of graphic foam.
I swear, TVs do not like me or something, I swear. Nope, okay. That didn't work, so we're going to exit out of that. Okay.
Just keep cutting until it's out.
Alright.
This way.
Picture,
and then after that, you want to do the exact same thing as you did on the paper. Is you bend it and then cut the inside of it.
Did I try Wi-Fi direct?
And then, so this isn't my best work, but maybe like that. And then you put your finger like right there, and then your two right there, and then you scoot your finger off of that, and then you just cut in the middle, just like you did in the paper form. Okay, and then just keep going. Okay, and then there's like this little hole through it. And then, so what you can do is you can take some mesh, looks like this, and then you can just put it onto there, and then Or you can do it the other way, and you can take some plastic off of something and then put it under this. But right now, I'm going to be doing the mesh of it.
Settings, everything's fixing to pop up. Okay.
Okay. And then you trim it.
Add network, it says refresh. Should I
And
push
then
hold up.
cut
Yes.
around and trim it.
Oh, they popped all back up though.
Alright.
What now?
And then you can also, if it doesn't cover the entire thing, you can kind of stretch it some.
Well, I pushed
And then
refresh
I'm just going to put this on my mannequin head right here.
and they just
I'll show you. So yeah, it's just like that. And if you can't tell, there's some in there. And I made my Spider-Man suit. So, and then I'm not done. Okay. What I used for this was I did the exact same thing, except instead of the mesh I didn't use the mesh. I used plastic under it. And then, yeah, so that's how I did it. Goodbye.